We're here in Malabata now. We are walking in the street. So it's night here. Okay. So we are going with my friend. We are walking here. Wait, later I will turn over the place. So we're going out. Guys, we're going to cross the street now. Because Maya is hungry. Wait,
I wanna pee.
Okay, we are in Malabata.
Quick.
This is my friend Moroccan, but she is now become
Kumusta ka, Pilipinas?
Papa, maganda.
Kuya, maganda.
Okay, maganda. Blessy maganda. Ay. After we will die, we don't eat here. And then your husband say, where are you?
No eat, no drink, no nothing.
Wait.
You know me, if I take it, I something. Come.
Yeah, salam. Majinun.
Animals.
Yeah, animal. Yes, thank you. Oh, this is a sexy woman.
Wait.
Sexy woman. Look. Okay.
No, quick.
Yes. We are the animal girl here. Walking. Wow, but she's sexy, you see?
This new supermarket here.
I know, it's 24 hours. We buy yesterday here. But a little bit higher the price. It's like, you know. So guys, we are here. Hello. Let's go. Because I will prepare food for the guard. I will get something and eat here. After I will forget. It's already morning. Guys, we're back to the apartment. Look. It's an elegant apartment here. So we will pass this way together, not down. I'm scared. Hey, I'm looking at you. Hey, hi. High energy.
This is my place.
It's fun. What? Your place? No good.
Ay. My last thing, ha?
I like it. Oh, we are here now, guys. Now, oh, see, dancing now. The crazy girl. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and likes. Bye-bye. Good night. This is the makeover pancit.
Wala po tayong toyong makulay.
Dark, yes. It's like light brown. Hindi, ibang nabiling yung toyo eh.
Kaya nga hindi siya ano.
Dapat yung mushroom.
Hindi siya dark.
Mushroom ang dark. Yung kulay brown, yun ang dark. Yan, light lang yan, pang lang siya eh. Okay, almost done. And we are waiting for the other one. This is the final fried lumpia. Ano to? Kanin?
Pante.
And this is the final countdown. Yes. Sige. Para hindi siya The final count.
Takpan te.
Huwag na tagpan. Kalahati lang. Kasi madaling maano yan. Lamigin. Malaglag.
Ano po?
Yan na. Okay. Asan na yung panghalo? So guys, this is the spaghetti. And this is the ingredients and the unfinished lumpia. So this is the finished lumpia. Kailangan brownish, no? Ay, wala tayong sauce. Ayos nito. Madali lang naman siguro gawin ng sauce, di ba?
Ketchup ng sauce niya. Ano pa bang
Oo.
kailangan?
Kaya nga. Alright.
Ay.
Sarap. Masarap.
Ate Yoli, natawag. Sino? Hello? Mataw sila.
The fishing
Ben, di ba pwede ilipat yung
lumpia
spaghetti doon?
and the
Ben, di ba pwede
fry.
sa foil? Diyan mo sa foil. Pare-pareho tayo. Oo, ilipat na lang para
May kasi na, kalimutan ko meron tayo nito na ilagay niya doon sa ano.
Yes.
Hi! Charot.
Look,
Nasa unang
the special one for the pancit
Wala naman tayong ano.
with this soya.
Uy, tulungan niyo ako magluto ng lumpia!
Kuko, mag-ikot-ikot lang yan eh, tapos na nga mag-wrap.
Wala nito.
Crispy.
Bebe.
Okay, go.
Init na kaya?
Huwag na, hindi pa umusok yung ano, oh.
Kaya nga, testing mo nga po kung mainit.
Yung dulo lang.
Pag kumulo na! Ay, padutod nga. Mainit na.
Ilagay mo kamay mo, try.
Kala mo May nakakapoy sabi ko.
Hindi, kailangan ganun
Saan
para
ka kanina kapoy niya? Oo nga, bakit parang ang hinano na ako talaga?
wala nang butagas, I think. Ay,
Wala na siya eh. Oh, may hinaa talaga siya.
Pero hindi pa siya pawala.
Hindi pa
Kasi
siya
lang
lang
din ang pagkaan niya.
maybe the burner is going to take a rest.
Muna ako.
Mamaya na, babalik ka pag ano na, umusok na ha. Hindi kailangan tumainit na yun kasi para ma-absorb yung luto ng oil.